Well, I got something that I like.
Do I need some plastic gloves? Is it still wet?
You know, it's still wet. You know what I mean? Just got it in from the plug.
Yeah,
literally.
it's still wet.
Left my guys. Shout out to Ducky and you for holding me down as usual. I sent the kite in the air. He said, I'll hold you down. Just get here by this time.
I gotta holler at Doug.
And I did, and here we are.
I might know what these are out of two things. Well, let's see. Let's see if I know what these are out of two things. Yep. It was either these or the Air Force One joints.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I thought, I was like, I wonder if you're going to come with those joints.
Yeah.
Tough. Yes.
Yeah.
I'm checking these out for sure, son.
These puppies are, these are something, man.
These are very, very nice. Let's get straight to it. Because they came out with a 2-pack.
Yep.
Right? These, and then they got the Air Force Ones with a lot of fabrics and stuff, just like these. You got the same exact
thing.
corduroy shit and all that.
Yep, same colorways. Just,
I was wondering which ones you was gonna show up with.
It was a tough decision.
Yeah?
It was. I said these, and then when I got there, Ducky had them both, and I was looking at both, and I'm like, I don't know which one I want, one or the other.
Mm-hmm. These are beautiful.
But I stuck with these, man.
So, so already, you know, you got the sole, right? Black on the bottom, which is, of course, this is a great thing. Especially when you're going with a colorful shoe. Mm-hmm. People don't think that you're gonna put black. I'm saying people, I don't know what people think.
Right.
But I don't know if it will occur to people out the gate to go with a black on the bottom when you got so many colors on top. But it just works, it just connects everything. And you know, the black shirt. I just built some, what was those? It wasn't Air Max, it was something else. I just built some Nikes, and I did the same exact thing. Black sole, the top was all crazy, with the black check, the black soles.
Grounded.
This is not an off-white. This is almost a yellow.
Yeah, it's like a,
It's like a vintage
let's go
yellow.
with that.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
It's like,
not tan, but like a dark cream.
Yeah,
Like a creamer.
Yeah, pause. Something like that. So nice touch, and then you got this this sky blue corduroy.
Yeah.
3/4 of the way around, you know, true Air Max style with the stops on the inside and whatnot. That's crazy, right? And then the back, the heel is a mustard yellow suede.
Yep.
We're just gonna go with the suede there, right?
Yep.
And then the check is like a felt.
Yeah.
Black felt, right?
It feels a lot like the same thing that's on the back.
Is that suede, you think?
I don't
it's
know.
Close.
It's close to a
hard to
suede
tell.
or a felty thing. I'm not sure what that is.
We're gonna go with a suede.
But I like it.
Because of what they're doing here.
Yeah.
So, and then the middle part here, right? What is this?
I don't know if it's a nubuck or like a. I don't
That
know
is
what
a
that is.
strange
It's a strange material. It's
What
unidentifiable.
is that?
I don't know.
That is strange. It almost feels like it was like salmon or something. It's a salmon color, but it feels like it actually came. No, the skin, it feels crazy. So on top, then around the ankle, you got this. What is this? Cheetah? Is that considered cheetah?
We'll go with the cheetah.
We're gonna go with the cheetah. Print suede.
Yeah.
Leather on the eyelet up here.
Yep.
That's leather for sure.
That's actually leather.
That's leather.
Yeah.
And then moving towards the front, you got this green suede piece in the front here.
Yep.
And I said all that to say,
Yeah.
then you got this paisley in the front.
Yeah. It's like your grandmother's curtain.
Yeah, man, that's nice, yo. That is tough, and it's like a
It's like a sky blue. It's the same.
Yeah,
it's
yeah.
light blue.
It's more. For me, it feels like it's leaning more towards the green.
But I think that maybe. I don't know.
Maybe because of green. I think
the green's right above it.
It might play. It might play with either color depending
like a
on.
blue tint, right?
So you got the paisley. You got Nike signs scattered throughout the paisley.
Oh, I didn't even notice. Well, I actually haven't seen them. So
Nike
yeah, that's
checks
great.
scattered throughout the joints.
Oh, that's
Tough.
dope.
You about to say something else? Because I'm still going.
Go, keep going.
Then you got the tongue. The strings are like this.
A neonish, not so much a neon.
It's
What
more like
they call it lemonade.
Right, because
Yeah.
it's softer. It's not as harsh as a neon. And the paisley on the tongue matches the shoestrings.
How you like them apples?
Matches those shoestrings because it always also comes with this. This is wild because this is like a green zebra print.
Which is on the inside.
On the inside.
Hey. Which is inside of there. And they came with a shoestring.
There you go, baby.
I'm gonna have to check that out.
You gotta check that out.
I'm gonna have to see what the zebra joints look like.
You can't go wrong.
You can't.
You can't go wrong.
And I may just save these lemonade puppies for a different sneaker.
Tough joint.
Yeah. So this is the second iteration of this pack.
Okay.
The first one I really wanted also. It was anchored with like black, red. The paisley print here was like it was white on white. But when they came out with these spring like colors, the other one didn't have an Air Force One to match.
Oh, okay.
This one obviously did, but
like last year, like a once a year type of thing, or is this?
No, it came out like last month.
Oh, word. Okay.
A month ago. As a matter of fact, and the whole purpose of that, at least for the first one, so I will assume it is the same for this one, was the textures and all of that was supposed to be to reference like your home. Right, and these were supposed to be the curtains and all that other stuff that go along with it.
I see. I like it.
So it's supposed to give you all of those different textures to symbolize what would be in your house.
Right. These are tough.
Yeah.
Come on, these are disgusting.
Yeah. I just
He's
caught
gonna
a
slaughter
pair of
these.
just for all of you who will see me in the street.
Man.
I'm telling you, man, when it comes to sneakers and colors, I promise you I have a photographic memory.
Straight up.
I saw these, and then I got an email for some pants from somewhere. I'm scrolling through. I was like, I think that's the same green.
Bang. Same green.
Address me in a specific manner when you see me in these.
See me in the streets.
That's it. That's all I'm asking. I don't want no problems. Just address me appropriately when you see these on the street.